Sorry. Say.
Yes.
For me, probably the food. You see my size, you know already. I like to eat.
As the founder of an online renovation media portal company, making people get the means to achieve their dream homes is one of my biggest objectives in life. But it is very easy, not just on my part, but for many to lose sight of the one true common home we all have as Singaporeans, or even people living here long term, which is Singapore. With National Day coming out, I thought it would be a great idea to ask some of my employees, both local and foreigners, who have been in Singapore for quite some time on what Singapore means to them. So enjoy.
Hi, my name is Peter. I'm 25 years old. I am a marketing executive at Renopedia.
Hi, my name is Jonacel, 36 years old.
I'm Edmund. I'm 31 years old this year. I'm from Renopedia. I'm a senior sales executive.
Hello, I'm Jenn from Renopedia. I'm doing telemarketing. I'm 68 years old.
Okay, are you Singaporean? If not, how long have you been in Singapore? Yeah, I'm not a Singaporean. I'm a Vietnamese and I've been in Singapore for 7 years. Yeah, I came here for university, then I graduated and currently I'm working here.
No, I'm Filipino. I've been here for 4 years.
Yes, I'm a Singaporean.
Yeah, I'm a Singaporean also.
Your favorite things about in Singapore?
Favorite things Singapore is politically very stable. That thing I like. You know, you feel very safe even you go out late nights.
My favorite things in Singapore is how they follow the rules. And the Singaporean have the unity. So that is my favorite things.
That's someone.
For me, probably the food. You see my size, you know already. I like to eat a lot of food. Or Singapore food.
What are you grateful for in Singapore?
I think I'm grateful. I think for me, I'm grateful for education opportunities here. Yeah, like Singapore is not really like strictly to one culture, but there are a lot of things like there are many cultures within a country. And during my school, University of Buffalo is like a US university system where I can work, study under both local teacher and US teacher. Yeah, and a lot of like races are within the class, and I can learn a lot from them. Yeah.
Probably the security in Singapore also.
My grateful is I have a job here, and Singapore is the technology is high. So I learned a lot of good things in Singapore.
How has Singapore made you feel home?
Singapore, one is most safest country. Then you can see people around here how they take care to each other and loving care. Then also how they treat us, even though we are not Singaporeans. They also taking care of us. So, wow, amazing.
I think the vaccine is a very
Yeah.
good example. Like either you are a local or a foreigner, you
Yeah.
can get like the same kind of vaccine equally. Yeah.
Friends are very friendly.
Yeah.
Multinational. Where we all live in harmony, I should say. That is thing we feel home.
Yeah, probably every time I come back home from work, then my neighbor will like say hi to me. Yeah, so we very close with all the neighbors.
So next one.
The last one.
Say your wishes for future Singapore. Oh,
Probably hope that this COVID situation will get over very soon, so everyone can enjoy without any fear of going out.
Hope every Singaporean got a steady job, steady income, all live in a good relationship, and the government look after them.
yeah. I hope Singapore can be more developed, and there are more what's that called? There are more opportunities coming in for not only the local but also for the foreigners, and I wish like like no matter what, I just want everyone like united to each other, no matter like what's your political parties or whatever. Yeah, I mean like we are within a country, so that's my best wish for Singapore.
For me, my wishes is I hope Singapore everything will be okay. Any citizen living here in Singapore, please be safe and healthy. We fighting because this is our home.
Happy National Day.
Happy National Day.
Okay, cut. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.